Hello everyone, this is Erum Tasneem for Altenew. Welcome to Creative Coloring with Erum. Today I will be sharing with you artist marker coloring on the gorgeous Poppy Garden stamp set. For stamping, I'm using my stamping platform today, but you can use your stamping blocks too. I usually use my stamping blocks, but today I wanted a very crisp black outline since I'll be coloring my flowers a dark plum color, so I'll stamp the images twice to get a better impression. The ink I'm using is the permanent black crisp ink, which is an alcohol marker friendly ink, but I would still advise you to give it a few seconds to dry or use your heat tool to set it to be on the safe side. I will start by coloring the flower center first because I usually mess this part up and then I have to color it in black. The artist markers I'm using are Warm Sunshine and Buttercream. You will notice I'm using the bullet tip to color the flower centers. The bullet tip is finer and allows me to cover the entire area in one flick or a smaller circular motion. Now starting with the first petal, you see how curled up this one is? So there won't be a lot of light falling on it. On the contrary, actually, it's going to be pretty dark. So I'll add quite a bit of dark pigment here, that is Cosmic Berry. It is the darkest color in the artist marker set D, the rose petal color family. I'll blend this out with Purple Wine, which is the lighter one after Cosmic Berry. I'll use very little of Puffy Heart. I'll also add a bit of Puffy Heart pigment on the curled tip. Then I'll add Rose Quartz to the remaining area. You will see that I will color all the remaining inward curled petals the same way, as in dark colors. And when the petal is curled outwards, I'll show a bit of highlight where the bend or the curl is. You will also see me add dark colors exactly the way as I did on the curled petals, on the notches and folds on the tips of the petals, and I will blend them out in the same manner with lighter shades. To add streaks or vein-like elements to my petals, I will also use tip-to-tip method where I will pick up color from the darkest marker with the lightest marker and add it to the petals with a light hand. The darkest marker being the Cosmic Berry and the lightest marker being Rose Quartz. I'll put on some music. I hope you enjoy the coloring process. use the coordinating dies to die cut the images. I'll add black paint splatters on my card front and also some diluted Forest Glades metallic ink spray. Once dry, I will adhere all the elements on foam tape and I'm done. I hope you liked the card and enjoyed the coloring process. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.